All right, everybody. So this is Johnny Plummer from GotBackupOfficial.com, and I still do believe that GotBackup has the number one opportunity for doing business online for 2024. So April of this year will make 1 year since GotBackup was launched, and since it was launched in April of 2023, it's been nothing but straight fire, growth, and just progress. And so right now, GotBackup is moving so fast and moving so far into the future that it's kind of hard to keep up. Now, me personally, I still believe it's the greatest opportunity out there. Why? For number one, it is affordable. So for $9.97 per month, you get 6 terabytes of space on the cloud, which you can share between 6 different devices or 6 different family members. No matter where your family members are in the world, they can create their own account and they each get a terabyte of space on the cloud. So every picture you take on your cell phone, every document on your computer, tablet, or cell phone that you save goes right onto the cloud immediately. How amazing is that? Now, Gotbackup has put in some very, very cool features that I am so proud of. In the back office, they have something called an internal wallet. So what that does is if I have people in foreign countries or in Jamaica or anywhere else in the world that became a member of my team, I can trade funds. I can send funds to them through the internal wallet. So look out, Western Union and MoneyGram. We're moving money through the Got Backup platform. It's amazing what's happening. And so I could help out a person who's living in another country if they want to do a transaction here in the US and they don't have the means to do it. They could, I could do it for them and they could pay me back when they get their commissions going into their internal wallet. So that's a feature that I'm very impressed with. Another feature that it is so cool that they have this collaborative effort when you save your photos on the cloud. Like, for example, let me give you a quick example. So you're going to a party, like a company party, and you create a link with your Gotbackup account, and you give that link to everyone that's at the party. So when you go to a party, you're taking pictures, selfies, with yourself and with your friends, and so you can share that link with several people or everybody in that party. And so every picture that they take gets stored into one central location where everybody can access it. It's such an amazing collaborative effort. And it's the same thing with all the files that you save on the cloud. You can share them. All you need is an internet connection and you can access your files and you can do whatever you want with them. So Gotbackup is just doing some amazing thing. A great product, great digital product that there's no limitations on, right? So anyone in the world could join this company and use the products and use the services offered there. It's just phenomenal. I think it's just great. And so I think it's just one of those things that's not going to go away. It's only going to get better because there's so many billions of devices on this earth, and everyone have the opportunity to use the cloud as a means of storing their files. So every now and then we get Google and Apple telling us that we're out of space. Now with Gotbackup, that will not happen. You will have enough space to do all that you need to do. But the opportunity is what really drives this more than anything else, because one of our competitors, which is Dropbox has been around for what? Close to 17 years now, and they now have over 700 million customers. And so Gotbackup is traveling along the same path. So that's the vision that I have. In a few years from now, when Gotbackup has 700 million people on their network, a good portion of those people will be in my downline and on my network. And those residual funds that comes in every single month will amount to probably tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars every month in commissions. So that's what I'm seeing, the future. So I know that I'm in an opportunity that's here to stay. I'm in an opportunity that's only going to get better. The people that's running this have been doing this for 25 years plus, and they're doing a fantastic job, right? If you join the Gotbackup opportunity, there are 4 or maybe 5 different webinars that are done each week. So you can join. You have no reason to say you don't understand the product, you don't understand the business, because they're doing training videos multiple times per week online. You will get the emails and you'll get the reminders, you'll get to join in and you get to ask questions, you get to participate, you get to learn, you get to grow, right? So the big announcement for me is yesterday I woke up and I got this email from Gotbackup, right? So I officially got ranked up in Gotbackup to the level of gold. And so that is impressive to me. And you know what? Let me tell you something. I have not been recruiting anybody into this opportunity. What I have is a website called gotbackupofficial.com, and it's out there on Google. People are finding it, they're seeing the information, and they're joining the opportunity. What else do I have? YouTube videos like this one. People are seeing the videos, they're hearing what I'm saying, they're clicking the link in the description, and they're joining the opportunity. As soon as anyone joins my network, I immediately reach out to them because I believe that I personally have a responsibility to help them succeed. And so that's what I do. I create digital assets like these videos, put them out there, people see the content, they click the link, and they join my network. And so if I should show you my downline, there are so many people in my downline, right? And so that is why I think it's just such an awesome opportunity. So when I'm sleeping, people are joining my network and I'm making money. And it's not very big right now, but it's poised to be very, very big as it continues to grow over the days and weeks and months and years. So I encourage you to look deeper into this Gotbackup opportunity and you will find success. What I will be doing in the future, and I'll be doing another training where I'm going to go deeper into the features of Gotbackup. I'm also going to share with you how I am elevating my marketing with another product that I have called Go High Level. So in Go High Level, and Go High Level right now is who hosts the website that I have. So Gotbackupofficial.com was created on Go High Level. It resides on Go High Level. On Go High Level, I am building a community on there where everyone that comes into my network is in that community. I can get to nurture them. I can send out automatic emails or text messages through Go High Level. I can connect Go High Level to Yext, where my website can be linked up to over 75 different platforms online. So more people get to see the content. There's so much to Go High Level that I'm going to get into my next training video. So that's what it is. The number one business opportunity, Gotbackup. The number one nurturing and marketing platform, Go High Level. Those two together will create a multi-million-dollar business for me. And I want as many people as possible, those in my network, to be a part of it. So what's going to happen is, in a nutshell, I'll be creating a whole system with the Gotbackup opportunity. And in Go High Level, I'll be able to create a snapshot where anyone that comes into my team, I could send them a link to the snapshot. Once they sign up with Go High Level, they implement the snapshot and they'll have a replica of my business. And so stay tuned, everybody. We're going to do big things this year, 2024. We're going to blow this thing out of the water. Okay? So again, Johnny Plummer checking out saying, Gotbackup, the number one opportunity. Go High Level, the number one nurturing and number one marketing platform for businesses. Those two combined, danger. Watch out. All right. Johnny Plummer tuning out. See you later.